Hello guys, I want to my country people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you from they watch me. Now me your brother latest Aproko News TV. Yes, I come out to come talk to my people, my Edo sister. For what you be say they go on for this social media what we do now. Because the thing don't dey baffle me. Every day problem. I come out in the afternoon to talk about it, but my network bad. I don't fit talk anything. Me, I use this media to pass this message to them because the thing they worst. Because as we say, me will not talk. If you can't rob us, if you can't concern us, because now they'll be our sister from video that they analyze now. They say they want carry themselves go where beneath where they for the cash winch because they don't they try to catch each other winch. This message now from Mama Boy and Mommy Yuri because of live video. They don't fight themselves seriously. My brother, my sister, make una understand, say, we, when we be say, it come here. Now, we, people, we be say, the Nigeria supposed to, even they look onto. Can't be say, now, we can't go, they take advice for people, we be say, they has. More we try fix things together. More we try to bring peace between ourselves. I don't know what to be say, we they fight for. The thing really, they pay me. If they pay me, if I sit down and say, what thing, our sister will be say, so if I see some tribe, they go gather themselves, form unity, form one club to make sure say they carry themselves along. Anything happen to one, it happen to the rest. Our own now from a fight everywhere, fight. If you talk to this one, you not talk to the other one, it be problem. If you be this one friend, you go be the other one enemy. If you be the other one enemy, you'll be this one friend. Wait till they happen. My Edo people. Wasunu, I beg you now, Mommy Yore, I beg you, drop this matter. Now, so Mama Boyki, son, I beg drop am. Not be waiting good way person want the year for year. I beg my sister. I know say your video, now so it be like river. Anybody can go there and take water. Everybody can go to your house and cut your video. You don't get problem. But this one will be say you don't go now, my sister. I beg drop am lao owe mi ada de na do welile lao my sister ewewe zona lao iyen egbe maybe we eri no ka gbera eri no che we umalake but try no understand the way any yawe gbera ne awe gbera don ni owe ni I got titi I give you. I beg you my sister, drop this issue, not talk about and come again. Let native doctor they do her own. Let Mama Boy face any penalty we be see in one face. If now she really kill her son, let her face any penalty we be see in one come. Because who keep by sword must surely go by sword. La go my sister, when so na for muyo talk. La Mama Boy, where we can no one every social media. Where we are having ya beka ge no kinwe ne no ma se mo ne no ejewe se nti awe jewe we do afilu gbegbu we feel kan gbo social media ba wen ade by group ba wen ade by dia ale le dia hon we gbere wa ni na o ijo mo we ijo ko we ti ona we asu no ti ona we dia you call this one make peace within themselves so that this one go this one go everybody go get a boundary down to create a problem. Now you go to carry picture. Now today you start to see that picture where you say the carry say na Indian Yesigi. Mommy Jore bring that this thing come out to stay form a group. Hey, Mama leave one. She don't collect because of that picture. They don't use the man they talk making not supposed to talk. Mama leave one make it suffer. They use those things they follow up with him. It concern our palace, concern God. That will not be a problem. Mama leave Mommy Jore alone. Mama leave one let her do her thing. You get your own follower. She get her own follower. Everybody make get my boundary. As far as I'm saying, I don't want to make peace. Make everybody get a boundary. Get your own boundary. Maybe you already get a boundary. I beg you. And the year now say you want to carry and go where the cash winch. Drop the issue because if you don't set now, you see say waiting. Be say not supposed to happen. We can't happen. Be say una dey do so. You not go rest. From go some more person, you don't return to the one where be say another issue again. and person go talk to you before. If you tell me, I tell you. Now it be for this social media. Before they come introduce JujuCon, when they use on the cash phone, Monica and Lolo, they use on the cash phone, then they bring person come and they go tell her as the body will take sleep. And those people when they wash, they go see, recollect and arrange themselves again. Before this thing come to the one they use Juju to pursue each other. It's not good. It's not good because the way come they go now, me not gonna be say Ada no go come out for his side. It's not really good, my sister. Mama boy, I beg you be elder woman. Find way to make peace within all those social media. I feel say now you hold pass for everybody will be say they do this social media. You need to call them. Call them. I beg, even though you lead down for your junior, not go kill you. He not go kill you. Not get anything you want come up for your body because now what you be say where for you get your money where you take the eat. Now that one important. Not be lead down where you lead down for your junior. Make it away quarrel. Now everything. Now help now you did to tell person leave this quarrel alone because you don't know what you be saying. Now God want use you that time. They tell and say tell this person say me leave this quarrel. As it come to be now, I don't understand the girl. I don't understand because what me they see for front, and I know they see. Waiting me I they see for front. When I feel come and whoa, do nothing when I enter us. But the best way you tell a word, you not go take on the way you take on. You go there, he mind or a mind. You go define one way to take act person. I beg. Social media not to cash one. Another tribe did this social media. Igbo day, although they still get their own issue. Asian day, they still get their own issue. But the worst one now we will be Benin. We cannot give it your I will make a do Yamaheke, but that was then. What can the changes we are over now? Agbeboy we now. We know the Africa, eh? Now we supposed to bring example to people who be say they ask. Not be they go come to give us example how to rule, how to even live for life. Eh? I beg you, no arrest for this issue of video, issue of Amoka, issue of now this one key picking, no be this one keep picking, no arrest. Mama boy, you may you rest. Call you're in your junior sister. I think call her your daughter. Call her. Make it a way issue. Not be waiting you waiting year. Now so not be so it take happen. Let her know. You might not be like that. Even though you just tell and they go just forget. You go forget. You not be like that. And you're a beg. May you still they control your mind. Control your mind. I'm not saying that they find you trouble sometimes. May you still control your mind. And not be everything. We be say you go to talk because you say native doctor and I tell you. Native doctor can come and say you not get any business with you. If it be true, they give you proof, but it can deny. Now, so we human be. I beg my sister Moon arrest for this issue. I want to from here see pass this message to Sister Rita and Sister Rita Yemiomo and Felicia Okpoma, the two cousins. And they hear say that they do boxing. Why it be like that now? Rita, you are not looking to be like that too. Eh? I don't say you they come. I they see some kind. I don't say now the way your sister treat you, you not treat you well. We don't first talk. May you still rest for issue. You don't first talk and say you want go carry the matter go for family. It may they talk put. As you talk, you all leave her. Even though you leave her alone, even though you go on that platform, go they talk. May you still show seniority, junior as a seniority. As far as you be senior, not show seniority. You will be junior. May you show maturity. I beg, may you still rest. Now, what you be say, it bad for year. Say sister and sister. Now they call the quarrel. Pikin and mama go quarrel. Papa and Pikin go quarrel for social media. And who now Benin people? It's not good. We dey use until they bring thing to ourselves, our state. Edo not be violent state. Edo Benin speaking language not be violent tribe. We they make peace. People want like to enter Benin. Why? Because we like peace. Why we say for social media now our voice that they hear. It's not really good, my sister. Mona look, this year the one end now, on the plan another correct to enter the next year. We know say another this thing will be say if you take 2 years, they never battle that one finish. Another one does still come. Una still carry on a problem. One hard journal. Sister Rita, may you rest. I know say you get good art. I really like you for that. You get good art. Felicia and your sister. Forget. No matter what you do, you and sister Felicia, you still rest for this matter. Now, so because at the year now, don't they carry matter, they say now, so this one mama, I this one mama. No, not be waiting person 1 year for a year. We be say, you right. Now you made they give you award. It's not good for a year. Because the way I can't go now, when I if you do anything for you, now people will be say they African and I want to create this heavy problem for them to face each other. You know, you did Italy, Rita did Jamie. Even though I did the same Jamie, you know, not if you do anything to each other. Now people will in Nigeria. Now I want to create this problem for. I beg you, Mona rest. Mona make peace with you yourself. Even though me 2 years, not even year now. Say, and me and my sister, we don't settle this issue. Very simple. Because this one they support the other one, this one they support the now come be enemy. What you be now for his side? What you be now for his side? Now not get personal quarrel. See this one they support this one they support this one. Monica come out go make peace with Iyore. Now so they go still come out both of them. She and Lolo go make peace. Una way they make this problem for them. How na wan waka? And I can't to make peace. If they make peace tomorrow, how na go waka? Now say you can't be our market. Buy your market. Don't go carry on that person's market they buy. Buy your own market so that when tomorrow go reach, you will know say yes, now my market I buy. Then nobody near you because they follow my people, they do this thing, you want to carry them. It not be waiting really good. May you and your sister drop this issue where be say now they try to bring come out now. We go feed the analyzer on our topic. We feed the analyzer. But not be waiting good. I beg more and rest for this issue. Now the small message I say me I can't let now know now be this one. Now me be my brother latest Apropos News TV. In case I never get this platform, wanna subscribe to my my YouTube channel. One of the followers now where would they analyze motor? Now be the we they talk on the way it be. I had a flower. I beg my people. I go to leave now. Wanna stay blessed. See you now for the next video. Bye bye.